Good morning, children. How are you all? I think you have done your exams better. Now, let's recall what we learned last class. Last class, we have learned about simple present, simple past, and simple future. Simple present tense is used to represent the action that is happening at present. In simple present tense, we use the verb along with yes or es. Next one, simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to indicate an action completed in the past. The structure is past form of a verb. Next, future tense. The simple future tense is used to talk about things we cannot control. It expresses the future as fact. The structure is will or shall plus verb 1. Okay, children. This class we are going to learn continuous tenses. First, let us see present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to talk about actions that are happening right now. The structure is, am, or plus verb plus ing. For he, she, it, we must use the be verb is plus verb along with ing. For you, we and they, we must use the be verb or plus verb along with ing. You would use am when your subject is I. Keep this in mind. It's extremely important. Look at my examples. I am watching a movie. Here I have used am watching. Watch plus ing makes this is a continuous action going on in the present. How do you know it's present? That's because of am. Next one, Joe is cooking dinner. Here we use the verb cook plus ing. How do you know it is a present tense? Because of is. The next usage of present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is also used to describe a longer action in progress. Let's take a look at some examples. I am reading an interesting book these days. In this sentence, the subject is I, so the be verb is am. Then you add ing after the verb. Next example, you are studying to become an English teacher. Here, the subject is you. Therefore, the be verb is are. Next usage of present continuous tense. Present continuous tense also used to talk about near future plans. Let's see some examples. She is meeting some friends tonight. Here we can see an action is going to happen in the near future. Here the subject is she. Therefore, we use the verb is and then we add ing to the end of the verb meet. One more example, David is learning to drive tomorrow. Here, David is the subject. David is a he. So, we use is plus verb along with ing. Next one, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense can be used to describe an action that was going on in the past. The structure is was or were plus verb plus ing. For I, he, she, it, we must use the be verb was plus verb along with ing. For you, they and we must use the be verb were plus verb along with ing. Let's see some examples. She was living here last year. Here the subject is she. So we use was and then add verb plus ing. So, in this sentence, the action was happening in the past. Next example, they were working at 9 p.m. Here, the subject is they, which is plural form. So, we use were working. For you, we and they, we use were and then add verb plus ing. Future continuous tense. The actions that will be in progress at a time in the future. The structure is I, we, you, they, he, she, it plus will be plus verb plus ing. Let's see some examples. I will be watching TV at 8 p.m. tonight. Here, will be watching denotes sometime which is going to happen in future. Next example, our team will be attending a conference from March 5 to 8. Here, will be attending is the future continuous form. March 5 to 8 is a period of time. Okay children, let's do some exercise. Now look at the given sentence. Salma is riding a new cycle. Here we have to change into past continuous tense and future continuous tense. First, what is the rule to form past continuous form of the verb? Yes, good. To add that was plus verb plus ing. Here, Salma is a singular noun. So, we should use was plus verb plus ing. So, what is the verb here? Ride. Good. So, the answer will be Salma was riding a new cycle. Let's move on to the second sentence. Salma was riding a new cycle. We have to change into future continuous tense. First, what is the rule to form future continuous tense form of the verb? Yes, good. To add that will be plus verb plus ing. Here, we no need to bother about singular or plural. Just add will be plus verb plus ing. So the answer will be Salma will be riding a new cycle. Okay children, consider the next sentence. Some birds are building their nest in our garden. We have to change into past continuous and future continuous. First, what is the rule to form past continuous form of the verb? Yes, good. To add that was or were plus verb plus ing. Here, some birds are plural. So, we should use were plus verb plus ing. What is the verb here? Build. Good. So, the answer will be some birds were building their nest in our garden. Now, let's move on to the second sentence. Some birds were building their nest in our garden. We have to change into future continuous tense. First, what is the structure for future continuous tense? Yes, good. To add will be plus verb plus ing. So, the answer will be some birds will be building their nest in our garden. Okay children, now let's recall what we learnt. Today we learnt about present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to talk about actions that are happening right now. The structure is, am, or plus verb plus ing. Next, past continuous tense. Past continuous can be used to describe an action that was going on in the past. The structure is was or were plus verb plus ing. In singular subject, we should use was plus verb plus ing. In plural subject, we should use were plus verb plus ing. Last one, future continuous tense. In future continuous tense, the actions that will be in progress at a time in the future. The structure is will be plus verb plus ing. Okay children, hope you understood. Thank you.